In this video, I'll share why making your first $100,000 is the hardest. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Greatness Everyday YouTube channel. My name's Matt, and today I'm going to answer the question, is making your first $100,000 the hardest? Because this is a quote from Charlie Munger, who is a very successful investor. He's Warren Buffett's right-hand man, but in his own right, he's a very successful investor. And a lot of people do kind of hear this quote when they get into the personal finance and personal development space, where one of the things is making your first $100,000 is the hardest, one of the hardest things you're ever going to do when it comes to money. When it comes to money, that's harder than making your next $100,000 and having a net worth of $200,000 or $500,000 or $1 million. But making your first $100,000 when you're starting from scratch is one of the hardest things that you're ever going to do, but you've got to go ahead and do it. So that's a very famous quote, and really a goal that a lot of people have, and it's a goal that I believe is totally possible for people out there once they start getting serious about their money. So that's where the idea of your first $100,000 actually comes from. But what I want to share with you here in this video are a few different points that I really feel kind of will help you succeed. And if you can identify these things and you can figure these things out, they're going to help you make your first $100,000 and kind of just build wealth. But before I do that, I want to say, if you want to find out when new videos come out here on my channel that challenge you to upgrade your mindset, your money, and more, please go down, click the subscribe button, and tap the bell to be notified when that happens. So the first thing that I think makes this a really hard goal is people get distracted. People are not able to focus in on what matters to them and really the life that they want to live. So that's number one. People get distracted. People get shiny object syndrome. By that, what I mean is basically they do not know what they want. Money is a tool to live out your values. That's definitely what I believe. And a lot of people don't understand what their values are, or a lot of people don't really have the discipline to stay focused and not get distracted by that super fancy car or the latest gadget or the nicest house or whatever. They see all these other people getting these things who might be able to afford those things and they might not. And what they do is they want it themselves. So they go out and get it and they get distracted from their purpose or their mission in life. And the second reason I think people might not be successful is because they put too much pressure on themselves. And by that, I mean they're so focused on obtaining that goal of having a net worth of $100,000. Being able to open your bank account and seeing that number in there is pretty cool. But people put too much pressure on themselves. They want to do it on a faster timeline, so that forces them to go out and make bad investments. They throw all of their money into the latest meme coin in crypto, right? And they expect it to hit that goal, have $100,000 in their bank account by tomorrow at lunch. But that is not the reality. That is not what's going to happen. That's going to allow you to build wealth over time. If that does happen for you, that's great. You're most likely, if you're not good with your money and you have those smart money habits, going to lose it just as quick. And the third reason why I think people aren't successful is because they don't understand how all of the different aspects in their life fit together. What I'm saying here is they think that money problems are just money problems, and those are different than how they feel in life, how their relationships are, where their purpose comes from. But all of these things are way more connected than most people realize. And if you want to be successful with your money, you've got to get serious about understanding these things. So this is where I can help. I have a free course. It's called the 5 Days to Financial Freedom, where I walk you through creating what I'm calling your financial freedom system, because these areas of our life are so more connected, so interconnected, and much more than we realize. So if you want to go down into the video description below, jump into that course, 5 Days to Financial Freedom. I'm excited for you to check it out. And that's why I made it free, because I really believe that people get serious about their money. They get serious about growing and increasing their net worth. And if they do it right, they're going to be way more fulfilled. They're going to have much more value in their life. They're going to have a great and compelling vision that they can live by and be an example for others to live by as well, and so many other cool things. So go check that link out down below. If this video helped you, please hit the thumbs up button. Drop any questions or comments down below. And if you want to find out when new videos come out here on my channel that challenge you to upgrade your mindset, your money, and more, go down, click the subscribe button, and tap the bell to be notified when that happens. Just want to say thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, choose greatness every day, and I'll see you next time.